Hello guys and welcome Tech Blob YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a wallpaper on the client machine. This is Windows Server 2022, and before that we need to create a share folder. I'm gonna create in my C drive. Here I'm going to create a new folder, sharing file. Okay, and here need some permission for sharing. Go to the share options and click share, and here two user, one is administrator group, everyone, and click share. After the sharing option, go to the share. Yeah, now the sharing file is visible, and okay, then go to the permission. Normally these kind of the wallpapers only read-only permission. We don't want to give full control. Just apply, and the administrator just remove. Okay, now the client machine get the wallpaper only read-only permissions. Okay, and apply and okay. Setting up, go to the start menu and server manager. We need two module, Active Directory and users computer, and the second one GPM. Okay, group policy management. Click on that. Yeah, when you open the group policy management, and before that go to the Active Directory users and computers, and here you can see admin group. There is a three user. One is group is the office, and this three user. Now I'm going to create a wallpaper of all users computer. Okay, and now there is a foreign group policy, domain controller, and foreign group principals. And here I'm going to create a OU. When you expand the domain, and here you can click techglob.local. Okay, then this is the group policy object. If you want to create in the below group policy object, and after you can link in the group of users. Okay, otherwise you can directly link with admin group. Okay, now I'm gonna create the same folder, create a GPU, link it here, and here I'm going to type desk user wallpaper. Okay, create a GPU, and after this, and right click, edit, and go to the policies and administrative temp, and when you come down there is a desktop folder, and click desktop. Okay, now in this option there is a desktop wallpaper. Click on that, and when you click there is an option enabled. Okay, and here you need to enter the sharing folder path. You need to enter, go to the sharing location, and this is your path. Otherwise go to the properties. No need to change name. Okay, copy this network path and come to the desktop wallpaper options and paste it. After pasting this, go to the option and slash paste it and dot jpg, because the file properties name is jpeg. Okay, and this fill and fit and span, stretch and tile. I'm gonna click on the fill option um, in the wallpaper fully filled with your display, and apply and OK. Now enable active desktop, allow and enabled, click OK. Now when you go to the Windows 10 PC, go to CMD and type here gp update /force. Now the group policy object getting updated in the client machine. Okay, now the policy is successfully completed, and here we need to log out or restart the PC first. Let's restart, or yeah, go to the manager tab and sign out. And login screen, enter the password. Now we have successfully set up client machine wallpaper. Thank you for watching this video, and we will upload new group policies and technical videos. Please like and share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon next video.